Hi, it's Christa with ArtisticVegan.com. Welcome to another Artistic Vegan show. And today we are making a homemade enchilada casserole. And this is from the Artistic Vegan Cookbook, page number 214 to 215. Here it is. And it is absolutely delicious. It's one of those things that you can layer and stack, make it on a Sunday, enjoy it throughout the week. It's great for food prep. You can also freeze it and enjoy it at a future time. So we'll get started with the filling. I have some potatoes and originally a couple poblano peppers and an onion and some garlic. But if you don't have that, then sub for what you have, which is what I'm doing today with a carrot, a jalapeno, and some mushrooms. So that'll be nice. And then I also have some black beans. You could also use pinto beans or your favorite. And then some tortillas, and then you'll need some enchilada sauce and some vegan cheese. And if you don't have those on hand, I'll show you how to make some. To start, you'll just want to chop your potatoes and place them in some water and boil them until they're easy to pierce with a fork, just to get them going, as well as saute your other vegetables just to release the flavor. You can also steam them if you prefer and do it all at once. And then we'll come back and mix it all together. You can begin making your sauce by sauteing the onion, garlic, and jalapenos in vegetable broth over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes, cumin, chili, paprika, oregano, and or cilantro, salt, and cayenne pepper. And you want to bring that to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 20 minutes with a lid on top, and then remove it from the heat and set it aside. You can take an immersion blender and blend this and make the cheese. Is some cashews that are soaked, some filtered water, some corn flour, some salt, some garlic powder, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. You can also add nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor or Dijon or other seasoning to your taste. At this point, you want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x13 baking dish. And if you don't have a 9x13 dish, you can use your preferred dish and it'll just be stacked higher. Ladle a thin layer of the sauce on the bottom of the pan and spread it out. Layer it with tortillas. Ladle a thin layer of the sauce on top, spread it over the tortillas, and flip the tortillas to soak up the sauce. Add about half of the filling, followed by a half cup of the sauce, and layer with tortillas. Then add the filling and the final tortillas and spread the rest of the vegan cheese on top and reserve any leftover sauce for serving. And you want to bake that uncovered for 30 minutes and then serve it hot. I hope you love this recipe. You can get it at artisticvegan.com. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.